Tripp Lite BP24V15RT2U. Extend UPS runtime like a pro. Frustrated when your UPS can't keep critical devices running during outages? Stuck watching your network gear, POS systems, or security cameras power down mid-task? Wasting time replacing lost data or rebooting systems is stressful and unnecessary. When minutes matter, relying on your base UPS alone can feel like flying blind. You need backup power that actually lasts. Crushing deadlines, mission-critical operations, or continuous surveillance suddenly become nerve-wracking when your UPS hits its limit. The anxiety of losing unsaved work, interrupted transactions, or offline security can feel unbearable. Standard UPS runtimes just don't cut it, leaving you exposed to downtime, data loss, and frustration. You need a solution that keeps everything powered, reliably, seamlessly, and without compromise. Introducing the Tripp Lite BP24V15RT2U External Battery Pack, your ultimate runtime extender for compatible Tripp Lite UPS systems. Designed with 24-volt sealed lead-acid batteries housed in a durable steel enclosure, this 2U rack-mount-friendly unit boosts UPS runtime from mere minutes to hours, protecting your critical equipment through even prolonged outages. Hot-swappable batteries allow you to replace spent cells without powering down your systems, ensuring uninterrupted operation. With heavy-gauge cabling and high-current DC connectors, installation is plug-and-play, no software tweaks required. Mini-story: one IT manager shared how the BP24V15RT2U saved the day during a 4-hour blackout, letting servers and security cameras keep running while staff stayed calm. The unit is compatible with select Tripp Lite smart online UPS systems, supporting both rack and tower configurations. With Tripp Lite's 2-year warranty and proven reliability, you gain both peace of mind and practical backup power, eliminating downtime worries while keeping your critical infrastructure safe and operational. The BP24V15RT2U delivers more than just extended runtime. It ensures continuity and confidence. Analysts highlight that using an external battery pack is often more cost-effective than upsizing an entire UPS, especially for IT, medical, and industrial applications. Influencers and network administrators demonstrate runtime extensions that transform a 15 to 20-minute backup into hours of continuous power, giving teams the grace to save data and safely shut down systems when necessary. Users consistently praise its steel enclosure, noting robust protection for batteries and seamless integration in racks or tower setups. Hot-swappable features are a recurring highlight. One security integrator mentioned replacing a battery mid-shift without triggering downtime. Many stories abound of POS systems completing transactions flawlessly during sudden brownouts, or surveillance systems recording uninterrupted through extended outages. Easy connectivity with included cabling ensures fast, reliable setup. RoHS compliance reinforces environmental responsibility, while Tripp Lite's reputation guarantees quality. Experts agree. This pack ensures mission-critical devices stay online, extending UPS effectiveness significantly. Curious how a single add-on can transform your power strategy? Thousands of IT professionals, business owners, and security managers rely on it daily, securing uptime and avoiding costly interruptions. Don't wait. Extend your UPS runtime and protect critical systems today with the Tripp Lite BP24V15RT2U. Limited stock means those who act fast get uninterrupted peace of mind first. Join IT managers, business owners, and security professionals who've already boosted their UPS capabilities. Easy installation, hot-swappable batteries, and robust steel construction make this unit a must-have for mission-critical environments. Secure yours now, eliminate downtime anxiety, and ensure every system stays online when it matters most. Act fast. Your infrastructure deserves it.